Welcome to Ink on Paper, and we are going to do a weekly plan with me for the week of the 24th in January. So here's our pages in our recovery planner, and we are just going to go ahead and take these pages out and get started. Let me apologize before we begin. If you hear any humming in the background, I have my table fan very low. It gets kind of warm back here in my craft room. I'm like almost under the vent. So the books that we are going to be using today for this plan with me. First book is Botanicals. And then we have Household, Budget, Letters, Planners, and Words from Kind of a Plan, Volume 4. So we have a sticker pack here that we will be starting off with, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our first page on the left hand side like we normally do, and we're going to write out some of the things here that we are not going to use. Okay, so the first thing we are going to cover up is this right here. I started to white it out, but I thought that's just too much white out I have to do. So we're just going to take a sticker paper and cover this up. And then we are going to take a sticker and like that. Okay, hopefully that works. So I hope you guys had a great week last week. And we're moving along in January. I can't believe we are at the week before the last week in January, which is, this year is moving fast. It's kind of scary. We, not too long ago, had the holidays, and now we're looking at 3/4 of January. It's almost gone. So, I tell you, in the blink of an eye, you miss it. We're going to cover up so we're going to put a to-do list here because I want this to be my to-do list. So this is a running to-do list, but what I'm going to do is do every other dot here because it has dots going all the way down, and I don't think I'm going to use those. I'll wait and see, because who knows, I might be able to. So we're going to go ahead and add I haven't found any tweezers that I like yet, guys, so that's the reason I'm using my fingers. The tweezers that I had, they were too sharp and they were piercing the sticker or either tearing it, and it just wasn't working. So I have to find another set of tweezers. And it might be the set, and I've seen some creators use the tweezers that you squeeze and the prongs open. I'm looking for those. So if you know where I can find those, put them in the comments box below. I don't even know what you call them. I guess I can go back to where I seen that video and see if I can locate. Maybe they put it in the description box. I'm not sure, but those look like they work pretty well. Okay, so now we have our bullets here. We're going to leave the pink in between because I haven't decided if I want to white that out or not. So this is our running to-do list, and this is the first, well, this is the first time that I'm using a recovery planner. So far it's been going well, and I think I've established a routine how I want to do things. So up here will be my daily chore list, and then I will do my top 3 here for this week. On this side would be my running to-do list. And then over here, this is divided into different areas of my household that I need to take care of. So we have this one, bills due or payments due, appointments, projects that I'm working on, events that I may be going to, and things that I need to prepare for next week. So this will be next week. I might tweak it a little bit, but so far it's been going very well. Plenty of planner creators have been using the dashboard and for their household. I've seen a lot use the dashboard for their business, which I also do, but it doesn't look like this. The recovery dashboard is a little bit different. It has the same weekly layout as the regular dashboard, but on this side it is completely different. I haven't decided what I'm going to do in this, but I think I'm just going to leave it blank until I need an extra space to write something in. But I think this may be a note section, and if I don't have any notes to put here, then I would decorate it. Like today, I don't have any notes to put there, so this will be decorated. Now I left that blank on this side just in case I want to write something. So that's what we have so far. We're going to put our labels on here. Now I like the numbers that they have on here, so I'm going to keep those numbers there because that has not, it's been working well. I don't have to take them off for any reason. I'm going to go ahead and write in the boxes, and we're going to put this on time lapse, and then we come back. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So we're going to put this to the side, and we're going to work on the right hand side. And the first thing we're going to do is white out the daily gratitude. Now these smiley faces on the side, we're whiting those out. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this. Okay, instead I decided to use washi. I think it looks better this way. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and add some stickers. So I'm adding stickers in the spaces that I'm not using for decor purposes. And if you've been with me a while, you know that I'm known for covering up certain days of the week or something like that. I don't mind doing that for my design. So and I love layering. Okay, so we have this going on over here, and we get paid on the 27th, so we'll put a payday sticker here. And we have a couple of auto pays on the 27th. I think I want one more. Okay, I think that's cute. Sunday is my relax day, but I do, fun things to help me relax, like bubble bath, manicure, things of that nature. I think this is a cute sticker. Today has been canceled. Right here. Cut that off. Cut this off, and then I think we're about done. We're going to now, let me see how this looks. Put some more of these on the side of here, because I don't like that whiteout look. Okay, everyone, what I decided to do, I peeled up halfway on the labels here because I don't like that whiteout showing, and I cut some washi tape. So we are going to lay this on here. This is what we have so far, everyone. I am satisfied with it. I could have done a little bit better, but like I said, this is only my third week working in the recovery planner, and I'm trying to get it and tweak it to the way I want to use it. And we're going to put this in the planner. So I think it looks even better in the planner, and I've entered some of my scheduled items on the days that are happening. And what else did I do? I changed out some of the decor. I added some snowflakes because this is still January, and I added some snowflakes to the little winter flowers. I'm calling them winter flowers. The only thing that I'm not too crazy about is January is in this color of peach, but that's okay. We only have it in that area there and on the numbers, but it is what it is, and I can work with it. I don't believe that color is throughout the year. I think it changes, so we should see what it looks like in February. But all in all, I think I like it how I set it up. So basically we have our top 3 here. These are the top 3 chores or goals that I want to accomplish for the week. We have our daily chore list. These daily chores plugs in to these days, and where I have daily chore, daily chore, daily chore, I will list Monday through Saturday here what those daily chores are that I do on each of those days. Then I check them off here as they're done each week or each day. And then here we have a running list. We have this week to-dos. And then here is the notes section, and like I said, I changed out that quote for another snowflake, and the same snowflake up in that corner. We added some washi tape so it would cover up that whiteout, and we had some snowflakes in certain areas. Down here we say hello weekend, and this is the spot where I plan for the coming week. These over here is the days of the week, and we have our menu. that we will be planning for the week, and each day have its chores that's going to happen on that day, also bills that's going to happen on that day, and on Sunday I have my stay in and relax day, where I do my spa day and I do my planner, and then we have a few quotes here and there, and that's it. We have our washi where we cover up the mood tracker, and I think that is it, guys. So that's how it looks for January. Let me know what you think. Is there a little bit more tweaking? I know there's some tweaking I need to do, and we will continue tweaking until I get it down to how I want it to look for each week. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe. Click that notification button twice so you know when I upload, and I will see you guys on the following week. See you soon. Bye-bye.